Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. So in today's video, we're covering 5 things that we think you should do as soon as you install Windows 11. This will be a good kickstart to make sure that your machine is best optimized for performance and is customized for you and what you're going to be using it for. Now, if you want to check out Microsoft operating systems or software, be sure to check out Indigo Software. We'll have all the links in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna do is check for updates. So I will launch my Windows button and we'll click Settings right here. And then all the way at the bottom on the left-hand side, there's a button for Windows Update. And as you can see, mine was checked today, just after noon. And if we simply click this button right here, it's gonna check to see if there are any available updates, and if there are, go ahead and install that update. Now, as you can see, it found an update and it's gonna go ahead and install that for us. All right, the next thing that we recommend is what's called a system restore point. So this is kind of like a checkpoint for your computer. If you make a mistake or something has a negative impact on your computer, you can go back to the restore point and just go back to where you were. So definitely a good thing to have in place, and here's how to do that. So we'll bring up the start menu and we're gonna search system restore. And then we'll press create a restore point. Now in this window, we're gonna click on system protection right here. And we'll make sure that we have our C drive selected or whatever your main drive is. Now we're just gonna press configure. And with this selected, we wanna have turn on system protection. You can adjust the max usage slider. Usually 2% is sufficient. So with this on, we'll press OK. Now if you ever wanted to go back and use one of these system restore points, we'll just click on this here, and we can follow through this wizard and grab whichever restore point that we want. So for example, we click this one, we click next, and then we would press finish, but in this case, I don't need to, so I'll just press cancel. Now, next thing we're gonna cover is personalization. So if I right click anywhere on the desktop and click personalize, it's gonna bring up this menu here where we can make some adjustments. So I'll start by clicking on colors, and this is where we could switch between light and dark mode or custom, and we could also choose different accent colors throughout the menus. Underneath colors, we have themes, and here we can select themes that will kind of customize our user interface to look like this, which is pretty nice. So we recommend spending a little bit of time in the personalization section right here so that you can really make your Windows 11 customized for you. And while we're on the topic of customizing, you may want to customize your taskbar. So if I right click anywhere open on the taskbar, we can open up our taskbar settings. And then here it's going to show us the current items that we have in our taskbar. So for example, if I don't want this chat to be here, I can turn it off and it disappears from the taskbar. We can also simply right click on any of the applications and unpin from taskbar. Now, if you wanted to add an app to your taskbar, we'll go into our start menu and browse through our apps. Let's say I want calendar in there. I can right click this, press more, and pin to taskbar. And now it's gonna stay there. And the last tip we have for you guys today is power plan. So I'll hit the Windows key and we'll open up our settings once again, and we're gonna search power. We're gonna click this first one here. And as you can see, I have a power mode right here. And if we toggle this on, we can select best performance, which is what we recommend. So this sets your computer's resources to prioritize performance over battery life. And this can just help your computer run a little bit better. So that's gonna do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Again, if you want to check out Microsoft software or Windows operating systems, check out Indigo Software. We'll have all those links in the description below. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.